Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain how to replace carriage assembly in Canon E3370. E3370. How to replace the carriage assembly. That is cartridge holder, right? First, you have to remove this paper holder. So for this, using one minus screwdriver, you have to replace this, remove this. Then remove these two screws. One screw here, another screw here, right? Using your star, you have to remove. After that, using your small minus, remove this control panel. Remove this control panel. To remove this control panel, simply lift up. See? Lift up. Right? Remove this, right? Then this is the control panel. So I am going to remove this also. See here. Using this star, remove two screws. Remove all the available screws. Right? Right? Then remove this cable. Right? Then see here. So first remove this cable. See? Carefully remove this and all, very minutely available. So you have to remove this cable very carefully. Yeah, this is the control panel I have removed, right? Okay. Then, yeah. Now I am going to remove this scanner unit. I am going to remove this scanner unit. See here. So, we have removed these two screws. Then it will be like this. Then, bring the front, right? So using one minus, just lift this. right? So before that, remove this scanner cable. Remove this scanner cable. So carefully you have to remove all these things and all. So slowly you have to do all these things, right? Right? That's all. You remove the scanner unit. Remove the scanner unit. Right? Maintain all screws carefully. Right? So this is the formator board. This is the carriage assembly. This carriage assembly only we are going to remove. This carriage assembly only we are going to remove. So before that, you have to remove this board. Then only you can remove this, right? So first, before removing this board, first unplug all the cables. Unplug all the cables. You have to do very slowly, right? I removed all the available cables. Then I am going to remove the screws. So this is the formator board we have removed, and we are going to remove this also. Yeah, one more screw is there. Right? This is the Wi-Fi printer. This is the Wi-Fi device. This is the Wi-Fi device, right? So this is the formatter board and the Wi-Fi device, right? Okay. See, now the picture is very clear. This is the thing we are going to remove from this, right? First, remove this screw. Then remove this screw. Right? Okay. Now you, and one more screw is there. Yeah, one more screw is there. One spring is there. You have to remove this spring also, right? And remove the cover. Remove the cover. You have to do very carefully. This is black and red. Black and red. Yeah. That's all. Okay. This is the carriage assembly unit. This unit only I am going to replace. Right? So then buy a new assembly and replace it to and fix. How you did open the same way you have to apply to fix this. Right? Have a nice day. Welcome. This is the way to replace carriage assembly unit into your Canon printer, any Canon printer, any Canon printer, right? Sometimes you can replace only this, so you can buy only this and place here also, or otherwise you can buy only circuit and you can place also. Depends on your availability, you can do your printer. Thanking you. Have a nice day. Welcome.